you need to be putting the concave piece onto the convex piece. Just think about how they clip together. You know,
I called him the contact lens. You got
Yeah.
the yellow's the eyeball and the white's the contact lens.
Yeah.
Kind of going on.
So just think about that when you're seating these in the fender, because, you know, you might be seeing the wrong thing over and over and over again. Like, just the same mistake over and over and over again. But just use your brain. I would if I had one.
Yeah, you gotta, the only thing alive is trying to do the metal. Yeah. You get $40.
Other Sam, isn't it?
I don't really know the other Sam. Well, anytime you put these flares back on, you should really replace these clips, because they lose their friction fit. That's supposed to snap on. You got any more of those?
Well, I've got one of these. Could that work instead?
Yeah,
Do you think it could be a bit stronger, maybe. Even?
Way stronger. Not approved by the engineers. The engineers want you to use these ones. Two-piece.
Those ones in there.
But really the problem is these things do not... Oh. Yeah, they get pretty weak with age. So let's replace them.
And it's just some of these ones. I've noticed that there's these ones as well.
Yeah, those ones go into like certain parts, like right down there at the end.
Yeah.
Look, there's one in place. That one's broke off.
Right, I see.
Now look, you got a thing that's kind of like funny about it too is these are so hard to, I mean, you just have to break them off. And no matter what, stuff ends up going into the fender. Oh, it fell out. Let's replace some of these. That'll happen. Sometimes I just let it go inside forever. Let's do this one. Oh, fuck. That's, you always want it to do that. That makes it really easy.
Free long-term storage.
Hey, it's not my car. Let's do the back. Should we do all of these?
Yeah,
I think we should, right?
Absolutely.
Maybe there's a better way to do it. Like,
Yeah,
well, for
someone
example,
put in the comments how to do this properly.
yeah, maybe a little bit wider plier would make it easier. Beggars can't be choosers, and idiots can't be smart. All right, you better just cut it there. Oh, look at this, the LR3x3 club.
It's fucking gold
Let's
in
go
his
put
hand.
them to, let's...
Follow me.
Hey, that's a voice command for the holographic interface. So those snap right in.
Is that a satisfying knick?
Yeah, listen. Oh, yeah. Let's tell them our secret. So up here, how come I'm not putting one in there? Because I'm gonna force this big one in.
Nice.
Yeah, and so that's gonna kind of like really hold it in place. But these are two-piece, and so the other piece goes on this side. And you do want to replace them both. Let me tell you why you want to replace them both. Because, like, you know, whether this receptacle is become worn or whether that thing is worn, who knows? So just replace them. They slide right in. Come show from this angle. Really zoomed. Try the best zoom on that Samsung. You can zoom an insane amount. Here, I'll give you this one, okay?
Hey, real quick.
What? Wait a sec. Oh, wait a sec. Okay, are you zoomed like crazy? Right here?
We are pretty zoomed.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Putting him on the ladder.
Old. Oops, so that was a new one. Anyways, you get the idea. Happy birthday. We got all these in, and it's going to be a little hard to do this one. We also separated this. The idea is this part of the body gets sandwiched between the rubber. So we unscrewed this. See where my thumb is tapping? There's a few spots where there's torque screws that hold this in place. So let's pop it in. Now there's a locating kind of rubber stud here. So we'll start there. We'll make sure that this is on the outside. And this piece is actually goes along the bottom too. Seems like the bottom's holding okay, so we're leaving that. But let's start popping this in. And we'll screw this on last. Oh, the door should be open. Okay, ready? Now, look here, they're almost in, but not quite. So, I'm not quite lining up. How come those aren't lining up?
There's like 2 locators in there, so you may have selected the wrong locator.
Oh, in here?
Yeah.
Well, his are worn out.
That's why these other ones just fucking so much better.
I see. You better stop that. Yeah, I'm just gonna snap them in one at a time. And oh, look here, notice it's a big one there, so it's gonna take a lot more force than usual. I'm not even close the door. All right, perfect.
Nice job.
Okay, the gap looks good, nice and uniform, like it's a brand new Tesla. Now we got these couple torque screws, and the torque screws are gonna hold this in place. So you just lift this little flappy, see that? So this goes on the outside. Let's put it in here. Okay, so we'll screw that in and that'll be good. See? Okay. Yeah, if they're broken, we got to take them out.
Yeah, it's like meant to have another side to it.
Oh yeah, I see
Like
what you
a
mean.
Prop kind of thing. And then this one here is.
Doesn't even have a.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know, a ton of those, like 8 of them.
Screw that we-
Yeah, we don't have that screw. That's okay. Well,
But at least the thing's in there, so once you get it, it's not gonna be a problem.
yeah. Okay, I think there's 8 holes and 8 holes. We're gonna use some of these on the ends.
Get it in, Jesus.
Well, yeah, they're extra strong. Oh, let's put new ones in.
Oh, it's like bending.
Oh,
But it goes into there.
I think the big ones are nice because they're gonna hold real strong. Let's see how one side is a little got a different diameter, but on this one where there's this pocket, I'm gonna put the little side down. Another thing you could know about this is there's supposed to be kind of like 2 stop points, like the middle there and then all the way in. That can be a little bit frustrating to line up. I don't even know why there would be 2 spots, but let's put the yellow ones in.
Okay.
We're gonna put these into the actual body now, and we used a couple of these. So we put those on the far end, and one in the middle, and a couple on the end. So I only need these to go into the white one, so let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Strong one. 1, 2. Now let's put this on. The last thing that matters is about this tab. Okay?
Okay.
So I think the only other thing that matters is this T-shaped tab here. It goes into this little pocket. So it's probably a good idea to put that tab in first. And after it goes in, it drops down, and then you can start to do some alignment. Now, we mentioned there's a screw. You take the headlight out and there's a way to put a screw in. We don't have that screw right now, but we'll do that later. There's a few alignment pegs. So you can just kind of take your time. The inner fender needs to go inside this thing. Okay, stop. How this goes on the outside.
Okay, tell them.
Okay, go for it. Oh, so this is the inner fender liner, and the fender wheel arch needs to go over it. Snapper into place. Are you ready?
We're ready.
If you see writing on it like this, it means it came straight from the quality. It came from the birthday factory. The birthday
What have you got
factory.
there? Are you turning 21,
Yeah,
Jimbo?
light that up again. 21 again. All right, ready? Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Dear Jimmy. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip.
I'll crack one. So these are kind of interesting little two-piece units, and you put it in like this, and then you push this in. So let's do it right there. And this is what holds the fender to the wheel liner. Yeah, push that in a little. There we go. So, hold on, something's not lined up. It looks good. Just try harder. There we go. Yeah, something's not right. Since it's my buddy's birthday, I got him some new ones. We hold this camera. So first you put that piece in. Something's blocking it. All right, so you got to kind of line everything up. We're going to push the fender in, and then it kind of makes a straight shot for this piece. Oh yeah, it felt like it went right in there, and then after it's in, you push that up. And then we're done.
What's going on?
Somebody just